Welcome to your 10-minute gentle morning stretches to wake up your stiff body and clear your mind for a focused and easy day ahead. Let's begin our class by coming into a comfortable cross-legged seat. Hands resting on your knees. Allow your eyes to close. And straight away begin taking some deep breaths. Include the shoulders this time. So big inhale, shrug the shoulders up to your ears. Side out, let the shoulders down and back. And again, inhale, shoulders up to your ears. Exhale the shoulders back and down. 2 more. Beautiful. Now begin to find slow neck circles in one direction. Allowing your shoulders to relax. Breath flowing in and out through your nose. Then change directions of your circles. Bring your head back to neutral. Take a deep inhale, reach the arms high, palms touch. Exhale, side body stretch to the left, right arm up and over. And keep both sides of your waist nice and long. Inhale to the center, interlace your fingers and flip your palms to the sky. Unclench your jaw. And send your breath down to your belly. Inhale, release your fingertips. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. Left arm reaching up and over. And breathe into your left side body. Inhale back through center, interlace the fingers and flip the palms. We do a couple of rounds of seated cat-cows. Inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, round through the upper back, press the palms forward. Inhale to lift, reach high. Exhale, round, pull the navel in. And keep going, moving with your breath here. You're stretching through your spine, shoulders, and your back. Inhale, release your fingertips, palms touch. Exhale, hands to your heart. Now carefully find your way into a tabletop position. Tuck your toes under. Then start sending your hips back towards your heels, stretching through your feet. And gently start lowering your chest down towards the mat, coming into a child's pose. Inhale to lift the gaze and thread the left arm under the right, left ear and shoulder resting on the mat. Bring your focus onto your breath, into your body, and into this present moment. Inhale to unthread back through the center. Exhale, thread the right arm under the left, right shoulder and ear resting down. You feel your palms resting on the mat, your knees, your feet. Focus on the sensations. Gently unthread, lift to your tabletop. And then press your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Now begin to pedal out your feet, alternating between your heels and pressing through the opposite arm. Relax your head and your shoulders as you continue to take deep, long breaths in and out through your nose. Now settle into stillness, pressing both heels down towards the ground. And then walk your hands back to meet your feet in ragdoll pose. Clasp the opposite elbows as you let your upper body hang heavy here. And start to sway gently side to side, releasing any remaining tension in your spine. You can nod your head yes, or shake your head no. Beautiful. Release the hands to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, straight into your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, walk your hands forward, finding your downward dog. Then inhale, step your left foot forward in between your hands, low lunge. Untuck the toes as you lift your heart, sinking the hips low. And breathe here as you keep the focus on your body, not on your to-do list. Your mind will always think. It's not about stopping your thoughts. It's about shifting your focus. One more inhale. Exhale, half split. Straighten through your left leg. And then see if you can fold over your leg. Make sure you're hinging from your hips, not from your low back. Maintain that long spine. Now lift your gaze and rebend into your left knee. Tuck the back toes and turn to face the long side of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Interlace your fingers behind your back and guide the crown of your head towards the mat, allowing the fists to reach overhead. And try to keep your palms close together if you can. Breathe. Release your fingertips. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, turn to face back of the mat. Drop your back knee, untuck the toes. And stay here, focusing on your breath as it moves in and out through your nose. With the next exhale, shift back to half split. Lift the gaze and rebend into your right knee. Tuck the back toes under and turn to wide-legged stance. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to lift. And then heel toe your feet closer together. Heels in, toes out. And lower your hips into yogi squat. Bring your hands to your heart center, gently pressing the elbows inside the thighs. Encouraging the hips to open here, and at the same time pulling in your lower abdomen. One more breath. Beautiful. Release your hands to the mat and come to sit with your left leg extended and your right leg bent. Inhale to straight spine and exhale, fold over the leg, keeping the leg flexed, feeling a gentle stretch along the back of the leg. Lift yourself up and cross the right leg over the left, and then twist over to the right as you wrap your left arm around the right side and rest the right arm behind you. Stay here as you shift your focus to your heart. Gently untwist, and let's take it to the other side. So extend your right leg, bending into your left. Inhale as you grow tall. Exhale, fold. Roll up, cross the left leg over the right, and then twist over the left shoulder. Beautiful. Untwist and find a comfortable seat to finish the class together. Close the eyes and bring your focus to your body, noticing how you feel after a practice together. Maybe you feel more open, grounded, or maybe you notice a shift in your emotions. Now let's finish our class as always. So bring a gentle smile to your face. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands to your heart as a sign of gratitude towards yourself and our practice together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give the subscribe button a big loving hug and nudge the like button below. And if you're ready to manifest your dreams, then download my 7-day Dream Life activation for free. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember to feel and remember to smile.